everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit and
Marty.
Alright, and we have our current box from Misfits. And let me give a shout out to the shipping company that delivered our package today. FedEx, it is still intact. The tape's not loose, the box is not bent. It's still sealed.
Yes.
And it doesn't look like somebody played kickball with it. So
no one sat on it.
thank you.
This is great.
Job well done. We truly appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I literally just moved out of my chair of a 4-hour training for Zumba virtual training, and so that's why I'm in Zumba wear. And I took off my sneaks. And Marty was out in the garden earlier, although he did change his shirt and shade. So there you go.
And you don't want to see that shirt.
So let's get this bad boy open. And if you are not familiar, I always forget to do this, but in case someone is watching this for the first time and is not familiar with Misfits Market, it is a subscription box that ships fresh organic fruits and vegetable every week or 2 weeks or month, or however you want to set your plan together. And you can get a small box or a big box, a Madness or Mischief box.
So which size is this?
This is the big one. This is the Madness box. This runs us about $30-35. I'll have all the details down in the description box below. I'll tell you how much the boxes cost, what their names are, the website to find them, and I'll also give you a referral code at the bottom if you're interested, and that code will get you a percentage off and me as well. So feel free to use it if you want. And we get ours every 2 weeks, okay? So they always come with an ice bag. It is biodegradable.
But it arrived some hours ago because of the training. We couldn't open it then.
I was using my webcam and Zoom for the training, so I couldn't stop to do the video. So, all right. These are an add-on. I always get these added on because I like them. They're bear-baked chips, and this one is coconut chips with chocolate. And this one is coconut chips with cinnamon, banana and cinnamon. So I always get these, but they're an add-on. They're about $2.99 a bag. You can't even find them cheap on Amazon. Believe me, I tried. So those are add-on, which means they're not included in $35. I had to add those on. 1, 2.
Whoa! Look at those.
4 huge misshapen bell peppers.
Oh, they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous.
And that's the whole thing. Misfit vegetables are vegetables that aren't good enough to make it in the market. I mean, you've ever seen anything like that in the market, so it's not the best looking sister on the block, but it'll taste just as good. So we have 4 of those. This is an add-on. I had to add these on. This is mint. So I got 2 of these, hoping they'll last better than the ones at Walmart. And this is an add-on. Okay, so this is pink salmon, wild pink salmon. This was also an add-on. Oh, you're supposed to be handing to me.
Yes, I'm supposed to be. So if you stand up there, I'll bring them to you. You won't have to walk back and forth. I aim to please. Sorry. Yes.
It's interesting because normally I wouldn't cook with these, but we got these in the last box, which I'm not sure we unboxed. I don't think we did. We got these in the last box, and I've been using them. They're really good. So I like them.
Yeah.
So we have 2 green onions. Here's another piece. I'm going to stand over here so I don't empty the box prematurely. These are 2 tiny little zucchinis. Oh, there's a third. Oh, there's a 4th. 4 little zucchinis. I wonder if we got an eggplant because I like doing the eggplant and
oh,
zucchini
my.
together.
I didn't catch these.
Oh, 4, 5, 6.
I think that's it.
So 6 little zucchini.
If I go after the largest items first, I'll be able to see the rest. Here we have large items.
And this is lettuce. I think it was red leaf lettuce, if my memory serves me, and don't quote me because my memory is bad. Looks like there's going to be a lot of salad this week.
Oh, that one's gone.
Yes, I just picked that up with my toes. Get over it. All right, let's see what we have wrapped up here. Red plums. I love how they always wrap the plums up. So we have some nice big juicy red plums. There are 3 in this container.
It said red plum before I messed up the label.
This is 3 red plums. This is not red plums.
Oh, okay.
These are pluots.
Oh.
And there are 4 of them. Kind of mushy, but there are 4 of those.
What?
So, another box of pluots. Whoop. These are honey pluots. Honey pluots. There are, 4 in each box. Whoa. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of pluots, and they have 4 per box.
Yeah.
These are yellow peaches. I haven't had a peach all year, so I'm super excited that I was able to go on early enough to get them. So there's 2 boxes of peaches. There are 2, in each box. These are white nectarines. It's all crumbly and rumbly, and it's got a bum on his butt. It's got a boo-boo. Ew! Ah! I hate sticking my finger in this rotten fruit. They both have boo-boos. Or they both had a boo-boo. I don't know what you want to call it. Anyway, these probably aren't good, but this box, they're a little better. So there are 2 more in here.
This, hibiscus, rose hips, and stevia.
This is an add-on. It is herbal tea, so it's flower, hibiscus berry, like you said, and there are 30 tea bags in here. So I'm excited to try that. I really love herbal teas. I don't drink regular tea.
Mystery guest.
I'm sure this is an add-on. Oh! It's wild tuna. It is an add-on. I thought I would get this from Marty. I had no idea it would come in a jar. He eats a can of green beans and tuna every day. Y'all know that, right? Mm-hmm. By choice.
Yes.
Sometimes twice a day with salad dressing on top. So that's for him.
Green beans are salad in a can.
Four limes. Oh, and I neglected to say that this time I chose what went in the box, so that was cool. We have decided every other time, one time we'll choose, the next time we'll let them choose, then reverse that over. So we have 6 limes. Oh.
It's all right. Yes,
2 hippos! Look at the size of that big mama. Whoa, we still have 1 left from last week that I haven't used yet because we didn't have any salad, and we've liked them on salad. But I have seen a recipe for jicama fries in the air fryer, so maybe this big mama will go become fries.
New potatoes.
5 little red potatoes.
And finally,
usually a lot more excited about cucumbers since I love cucumbers, but I really wanted the English cucumbers, but they were all
big
gone.
ones.
So the English cucumbers make better Asian cucumber salad than these do. Last time, this green part was really nasty. So yeah. Anyway, that's what we got. The box was well in. Look at that. I mean, that's the best it's ever shown.
Well, this one is in good shape too. They've done it twice in a row now.
Twice in a row.
Yes.
I don't know. Maybe they don't like me being insulting on video, but thank you. I appreciate it. I really do. With that being said, it doesn't look like I did order a lot of fruit this time. A lot of the vegetable was already gone, even though I got there like an hour after it opened. So, or maybe even 30 minutes after it opened. But anyway, it goes quickly, I guess. So we don't have a lot of vegetables. So there are no recipe ideas I can give you for this particular box. I'm just going to enjoy my fruit. It's so hard to find good fruit. So I'm just really going to enjoy the peaches and the pluots. And we'll have salad for the rest of the week.
All right.
And which is good. That's it. That's the box. Thanks for watching.
I'm sure there's more you normally say.
There he is. I was going to say, do you want to say anything?
No, I'm content.
All right, hon. With that being said, remember, if you are having a good day,
Help someone else have a good day.
it's the small and simple things in life.
That make life worth living.
Love you, Shimmies, babe.